I'm Nancy Manso from San Diego, California. Been living here for almost 22 years na rin po. And just want to share you my little background on myself and my family po. Share ko lang po yung aking screen. Yan. Nakikita, ayan po. I-play ko lang po. Ito yung aking nag-iisang anak and my husband for 15 years, and that's my 14-year-old son. And yun po, been living here for 21 years sa San Diego, California. And yeah, before I came here, ito po ang aking itsura. Yan po. Kasi nga po, di ba, Amerika, ang pagkain po namin dito, it's not good for one person, good for 3 persons po. Alam niyo na, pag madali tayong mag-intake ng food, di ba? Parang it's easy for us to eat than to tipid. Kasi po, masarap mag-intake ng food, di ba? Then, ayan, meaning to say, I was big when I came here. Then when I got pregnant, mas doble. Good thing during my pregnancy, I'm fine. Okay naman. Sobrang well invested ako eh. Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, it's easy to eat. Ang sa akin ang health ko is gaining weight, hindi gaining wealth. Ayan po. Then, day after I gave birth to my son, I was diagnosed to have a pancreatitis, meaning I have my body is not producing insulin po. I'm type 2 diabetes. I have type 2 diabetes mellitus and it's uncontrolled. Talagang hindi na po nagpo-produce ang body ko ng insulin. Good thing lang po, it didn't happen during my pregnancy. Kasi ang hirap po, no? Imagine, I have a baby, tapos mag-i-inject po ako ng insulin. Thank God na rin po at it's a day after kong manganak. Ayan po, meaning to say I have to inject my insulins, mag-check ako ng dugo ko every time I'm gonna eat kasi po ang prescribe sa akin ng doctor, I have to inject myself every kain po, every meal. Kaya just imagine, ang hirap nung kung nag-i-inject ka sa sarili mo, parang, alam niyo po yun, yung ipopoke niyo yung sarili niyo, sa fingers ko na nga lang, mahirap na i-inject ko pa yung insulin ko. Kasi wala naman pong, hindi pa ni-invento yung gamot na by mouth na you're just gonna swallow. Meron po etong metformin, but this metformin is, if you're gonna read the background of this medicine, it damages your kidney. Di ba? Okay na po sana It's easy to take pills, but unfortunately, it has side effects. Lahat naman po na medicine may side effects po Yan, then I'm injecting insulin. Tapos, I even tried looking for alternatives kasi po sawa ng katawan ko taking medicines po talaga Sabi ko, I need to look and find way na talaga will help kahit help lang po talaga, na will help my my diabetes, having diabetes po. Nag-try, ang dami kong tinry, even tried yung mga pampababa, pills na brand dyan sa Philippines yun Ampalaya pills. I don't know if you tried po yun. I tried po, even gave it a time of 6 months. Kasi sabi ko, at first, ininom ko siya parang, nadidisi talaga ako. Nakakahilo siya. Then, I have a sister-in-law in the Philippines, cancer survivor din siya. After having cancer, she tried taking barley. Narinig ko, kinukwento. Kasi, I was surprised. Sabi ko, ate, bakit energetic ka? Sobrang energy mo. May naglalaba, nagluluto. At the same, to think, nagka-cancer siya. talagang alive na alive siya. Tapos sinabi niya sa akin, yeah, sis, sabi niya, I've been trying this barley. I think you should try kasi diabetic ka rin pala, no? Sabi niya. Tinatry, umiinom siya every day. Every day. Then, good thing, I have a friend here na co-worker ko rin siya way back nung nasa Philippines pa ako sa OWA. She's living now in Canada. And she told me, Nancy, sabi niya, kasi tita ko rin po siya, tawag ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, have you heard about barley? Kasi concerned din po siya sa akin na, been diabetic for almost 14 years. Sabi niya, anong help na ginagawa mo? Been looking for alternatives din po. Then she introduced me barley. Wow, sabi ko, nagulat ako, parang wow, it's a blessing. Kasi po wala po rito pa po sa amin, dito sa San Diego, na nagtitinda or nagsisell ng barley. Very fortunate ko po na every time naman po kami, nag-uusap kami, na she informs me na, oh, I have this and I have that. But luckily po, she introduced me to barley. And you know what I did? Walang question po. Sabi ko sa kanya, paano ba kumuha sa'yo? I got a package na from her. Hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. Kasi I really wanna try it for myself. Kasi sabi ko, testimonies, I believe on people than on the product. Kasi dapat ganun tayo, di ba? Mas mano tayo na, sinubukan mo ba? Na-try mo ba sarili mo? Mas tayo doon, di ba? Mas click sa atin pag people have testimonies na, really tried the product. Ako talaga, positive ako na, I really wanna try it. Then, napadala niya na ako. After taking it for 3 weeks straight, kasi excited ako. Nag-try ako kagad when she sent it to me, uminom na ako. Ganun ako ka-optimistic when it comes to kasi I really want to have another alternative na ayoko na nasasaktan ko yung sarili ko. Mahirap. At least inumin ko lang. And no matter, kahit sabi nila, parang kulay green, parang nakaka-take, hirap i-take, 'di ba? Parang sa akin no doubt, wala akong thinking na gano'n. Ang thinking ko kasi I really wanna be okay. I really wanna have another help an alternative na makatulong sa akin. My A1C is always around kung familiar po kayo, ang A1C is when you have blood works, it checks your sugar, that it tells you anong range ng sugar nyo, anong percent. Ang normal people, the normal people considered normal on their blood, 5.7%. Pag lumagpas ka na doon, around 6.4 or 5.8, tumaas ka lang, you're considered pre-diabetic. Mine, it's always around 10, 9. Ganun po yung ang range ko. Then, after taking the barley for 3 weeks po, 1 sachet lang po yan every morning. My A1C ko po, it went down from 9 to 8.4. Sa akin po, big achievement na po yun. Kasi, it's struggle po talaga. Kahit sabihin ko na I want to pretend that I'm not diabetic, pero every time I'm gonna eat, I have to inject. Ang hirap po. Kaya, since I started the barley, ayan, it went down. Sa akin po masaya kasi naiba po yung feeling ko. Talagang parang na-correct niyo yung aking flow ng dugo ko. Kasi before, parang pag diabetic ka, you cannot control it. You're cranky, you're messed up ang pakiramdam mo, messed up ang utak mo. Kahit nagtiting ka na, hindi, it's all in the mind. Hindi pa rin. You really need to have another option. Good thing, barley came to me po. Ngayon, eto na lang bonus ko po. I lost weight. For 135, I'm 103 na lang po ngayon. I would say itong barley din po ang nakatulong sa akin kasi parang ano ka, na-energize ka, exercise, para kang pump up kasi nung mabigat ang katawan mo, nakakatamad, taba ka, kilos, kakain ka na lang. Pero ngayon, na-control po ako, pati po yung food intake ko. Before, talagang kain lang ako. Ngayon talagang busog na ako, nabubusog na ako. Basta tinitake ko lang po yung barley, one sachet in the morning po. Okay na ako. Okay na ako talaga. Barley pa lang po yan yung palang tinitake ko. Talaga nakatulong po sa akin na mag-lose ng weight. Bonus lang po yan, bonus. And to top it all, hindi lang pala po yan na bonus for my health. Pati pa rin packet ko, magkaka-bonus din. Imagine mo po, kasi what's the point? I'm using it for myself. Might as well share it to other people since I got a lot of friends here na, nagulat sila, what happened? What did you do? Okay ba yung sugar mo? Kasi they know that I'm diabetic. Talagang alam ng kwento ko, ng kwento ng health ko. Then I became a distributor na rin po. I'm sharing it even to my lab, yung technician ko po, na kumukuha ng dugo ko kasi she was surprised. Sabi niya, wanna try it, might as well try it. Kaya every week po, ayan, marami na pong bumibili sa akin every week or 2 weeks. Pag hindi, every month talagang sabi ko kumikita po ako sa by product itself pa lang po yan. Product self, kumikita na rin po ako. Masaya lang po kasi now I'm attending yung training kasi importante po yan. Bonus na to yung health ko. Alam ko na yan. Pag uminom ako, alam ko na po yung effect sa katawan ko. Masaya. I hope you should try it too kasi it's good if you're gonna be your own testimony po. Talaga. You won't have a problem moving if you're gonna do the business. Kasi po, ikaw na mo po kwento sa sarili mo eh. And it's super easy po. Super easy po talaga. At nakakasaya. Sabi ko nga po sa inyo. And again, I'm Nancy Manso and I'm a proud user and a sharer ng barley po. And have a nice day po everyone. Nice seeing you po all. Back to you, Mentor Kata. Oh, Tita Kata.